the cabin site. The new cabin owners are looking to put a barn up here, and they asked if I could pull a couple of these trees out that I left. Should be nothing buried right here. I think I got it loose enough. Heavy. See if I can lighten that load a little bit, maybe. Oh, come on out of there. Let's see if I can roll it. Pretty good crater today here. I'm going to try and turn it and pull it where I need to go, at least most of the way. When I need to go right over this crater. Oh, that's heavy. Let's get out of the crater. I can push it from the backside now. Talked to the neighbor that bought all the land, and I asked him if I could stuff them on his section here, since there's tight spacing right next to this slash pile, and he said yeah, that's fine. We get asked a lot about why we don't burn that much of our slash piles, and part of it is we're surrounded by the Shawnee National Forest. And another part of it is, with these big of burn piles, you know, you got to have room, open space, and you know, when you're in the woods, you just don't have, you know, acres and acres of fields. At least not in the areas we're usually working. This looks like where these trees come from. I'm gonna guess the, like I said, the new owner probably shuffled some around here. Picking away at this, clean it up. All right, starting on number 2, big one here. And then I gotta drag it back that way. Changed my mind and came on the back side. Pushing it onto the gravel, and didn't want to take a risk of hitting their camper up there. one's even bigger than the first one. It'll be a little more challenging. I'm going to have to stuff it in. spot and then cut a new trail to get out a different way. I think I'm on the path I want to be on now. See how this is going to go the rest of the way. Shuffle this other one around a little bit, finish up. I got it all cleaned up. I got a slot here. We'll see how it's going to go. Here to my left is where I'm going to sneak out in the woods that way or that way. This road's going to get closed off here since it's 2 new properties now anyways. I gotta work my way and get back out. Contending with more vines in here. I think I might have 1 or 2 more smaller trees to yank out up there yet for their shed site or barn site, whatever you want to call it. Sharon's dad used to call it a shed back on their dairy farm. Well, it's bug season now. I wouldn't want to be out there in the woods. up a little, fill these holes in, and I think I got one more tree needs to come out. Alright, I got this locust pulled out. I'm not sure if they want these 3 little ones out or not. I don't remember for sure. But it'll be a nice barn up here. Alright, here's a look where the 2 biggest trees were. They were up here next to the gravel pad. Then I'm going to take a look from the other end of the field. So they just signed a contract on a 40 by 60 barn up here. So that should be pretty exciting for them. A young couple, 2 little kids, great family, you know, good neighbors. So it was a success. It was a good weekend mini project with the mini excavator to get rid of them big 2 trees. They're junk trees. I don't recall what kind they are. But they're basically fast-growing garbage trees. They were not hardwoods of any kind. So looking forward to see their new project. Stay tuned to watch and follow our whole move to Missouri here from Southern Illinois on this channel 2.0. So have a great weekend. Thanks a lot.